What rice does inside the human body. 3D medical animation. What really happens inside your body when you eat rice every day? As rice enters the mouth, chewing begins and digestion starts immediately. Inside the stomach, rice softens and breaks down into simple carbohydrates. Stomach acids and enzymes slowly convert rice into usable energy. In the intestines, carbohydrates turn into glucose and get absorbed. Glucose moves through the bloodstream to organs and muscles. The brain uses this glucose as its primary source of energy. Muscles receive steady fuel, supporting strength and daily activity. Blood sugar levels rise, especially when large portions are eaten. Excess rice can cause heaviness and slow digestion in the stomach. After overeating, the body may feel tired and low on energy. Rice is a great energy food, but balance is the key to good health.